Hello, dear readers. Let's talk about gratitude. This isn't about forced positivity. It's about finding light, even in darkness. We all crave joy. We chase big moments, big wins. But what if joy lives in the small things, in the everyday miracles we often overlook? Gratitude is a muscle. The more we use it, the stronger it gets. It allows us to see abundance, not lack. It's time to shift our focus, to appreciate the beauty around us, to find joy in the ordinary. I remember a time when I felt lost, overwhelmed. I was drowning in what felt like never-ending negativity. Nothing seemed to be going right. I was so focused on what I lacked, on what was wrong. It was suffocating. Then I discovered gratitude. It was a simple shift in perspective, a conscious effort to notice the good. Each day I started writing down things I was grateful for. A warm cup of coffee, a phone call with a friend, the sun on my face. Slowly things began to change. Not overnight, but gradually. My focus shifted from what was missing to what I had. The more gratitude I practiced, the more I noticed things to be grateful for. It was an upward spiral. My anxiety lessened. I felt calmer, more at peace. Gratitude had unlocked a sense of contentment I hadn't known before. It wasn't about ignoring the bad. It was about acknowledging the good, about choosing to focus on the light, even when surrounded by darkness. Ready to cultivate your own garden of gratitude? Start simple. Try a gratitude journal. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Another powerful tool is a gratitude jar. Write down things you're thankful for and drop them in the jar. Revisit them when you need a reminder of your blessings. Mindful breathing is another way to tap into gratitude. As you breathe in, think I am grateful. As you breathe out, think for this moment. These are just a few practices. Find what resonates with you. Embrace the journey. You deserve all the joy gratitude brings. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are you grateful for today? Share your thoughts, and let's continue this conversation.